Hello everyone, can you believe it's been 8 months since I installed my Microlocs? I installed my Microlocs on the 30th of March 2018. This was after 13 days of me putting all my efforts into installing 330 Microlocs. So this is the result 8 months down the line. I'm going to be sharing with you in this video a 360 view of my locks, the progress up to date, and also I'm going to be sharing with you some tips with regards to my highs and my lows, and also share with you some ideas in terms of what I do to maintain my locks in between washes and also on a day-to-day basis as well. Okay, so this is the front view. And then the side. This is the side view. This is the back. And this is the other side. The past 8 months has been unbelievable. There's been a lot of highs and lows, but I'm just so grateful that there's been more highs than lows. When I first installed my Microlocs, within the first 2 to 3 months, I wasn't quite sure if I liked it or not because it was still a bit flat. It hadn't yet puffed out yet. And I wouldn't say I struggled. I knew this was what I wanted to do. So I was determined to do whatever it took to make it work. But after the first 3 months, between months 4, 5, and 6, I started to be more confident with regards to styling my locks. Sometimes I would just pull this side up and just go, or sometimes I'll pull the top half back and go, and that was it mostly, or I'll just leave it down like this and just go. So month 7 up until now, month 8, I've experimented with sometimes wearing wigs. So I've worn wigs about twice, and that's when I'm going to like a fancy party and I just want to look glamorous and I don't quite fancy going with my locks. So sometimes I do wear wigs, but it's only happened about twice since I installed my Microlocs. It's not something I really enjoy, but just for a different look, why not? So with regards to maintenance, when I go to bed at night, I make sure I always wear my silk scarf. I also have a silk pillowcase cover, because sometimes, you know, ladies, you're sleeping at night and you wake up in the morning and the scarf has flown off your head, but the pillowcase is there as a backup. So I make sure I go to bed with a silk pillowcase every night. Now, with regards to washes, so I wash my hair at least every 2 weeks. And when I wash, I use only shampoo. The reason why I don't use a conditioner is because I don't think my tips are fully locked yet and I don't want it unraveling. So I just use a conditioner. And with regards to unraveling, I did make a video on how to fix unraveling because I did experience unraveling within the first 3 months. I was able to fix it and the locks seems to be holding up. So after shampoo with no conditioner, I then apply some shea butter to the scalp just to, you know, oil my scalp. And also I have this oil mix which I made. I sometimes make this for people as well, and I sometimes sell it. And it's just a combination of coconut oil, olive oil, and a few other essential oils, as well as vitamin E as well. And what I do is this applicator, I just apply it to the roots of my hair, because sometimes my hair can get really dry. I apply this after every wash, and I also apply it every 2 days. After applying it, I use the flat side of my hands to just massage it into my scalp. That's what I do on wash day. Now, I apply the oil, which I showed to you, every 2 days. But on a daily basis, I apply a mix of glycerin and rosewater oil in a spray bottle to my hair. And I'll show that to you. This spray bottle was recommended to me a few days ago by Fenty Woman. She had an Instagram live video and she showed us her spray bottle. And this spray bottle is absolutely amazing. I got it off Amazon for about £15, and I normally put glycerin in my rose water because, like I said, my hair does get a bit dry and the glycerin just gives it that much more moisture. So what I do is I just go around my hair like spraying. Oh my god, this spray is amazing. You can hear it just go psh. And it's this lovely mist as well. And I just massage with the flat side of my hand. I give it a shake, and that's it. And I just go. That is what I do for maintenance. It's very low maintenance. I try not to pile my hair with too much product, because then you have build up and then I start to have breakouts of acne on my face. But I try to keep it as minimum as possible. The last time I retightened my hair was about 6 weeks ago. So I'm due another retighten right now, and I hope that once I have done that retighten, I can share with you another video so you can see what it actually looks like after it's been fully freshly retightened. Okay guys, so that is it for me for today. I don't really have much else to report other than the fact that I'm loving my hair. If you've liked watching this video, make sure you like it, make sure you share it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for spending the time with me, and I look forward to catching you in my next video. Bye.